Hello guys, welcome to your Html tutorial. Today I'm going to try to cover as much as possible. All these things here is what I'm going to cover today. So let's get started. So we continue from form. We're talking about text area, radio button, checkbox, submit button, drop down list. So let's start with text area. Now to begin with text area, you start with your tag. The form is already written, the form tag is already here. So let's impute the tag for text area. Alright, so this is the area. Let's impute the text. Alright, this div, dividing the form, then put a break, line break, so that, you know what, let's remove this. Okay, to break it from the form, so there will be space between the form. Then put your about, then we break so there is space between the text area and the about. Then the text, impute text here is going to show in the space. So let's save this and view. Right here, this is it guys, text area. Alright, let us go to radio buttons. I'm going to make another div. So alright, let's put another div here. So mail, impute type radio. So this is just the important thing. Type radio, name, sex, no, male, female. Then the value of this is male. So with this radio button you can only select one of these. So let us view it right now. Let's save first and refresh. See, male, female, male, female. Can only select one. Now to make a list where you can be able to check more than one, so that is what checkbox is for. Let's go and start checkbox. Alright, checkbox. So let's make the code right now. The same div, then right now let me close this. It's just the text. Select your subject, so these are going to be the list of the subject. Then input type, checkbox, not radio again, then name, subjects, then value, chemistry, biology, that way. Then line break to differentiate. So let's save and view. Here select your subject, chemistry, biology, so right now you can see you can be able to check one of these. And text area, you can impute your text that way. Alright, next one is submit button. You can make submit button in different ways. You can use button at tag, or you can just make it with impute tag like this. Alright, let's create a div, and in between the div put our value, impute type, submit, value, submit. That's just it. Let's save and view. Right here you can see the submit button here. If you click, it's not working based on you have not done the JavaScript part of it and the PHP part of it. I mean to say the PHP part of it, or you can use your backend. Let me just say backend part of it. So when you use backend in your form, then you can be able to do something. Alright, let's go to the next one. Last but not the least, select the drop down list. Here you use select tag. So let's use div, make drop down list, div, select, name, just name anything that you want to put in between, then close your select tag, then put option of what is going to be in the drop down list and close the option and write it option, the same thing over and over as many as you want, then close your div and save. Now let's see drop down list here. Alright, that's it guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.